category presented to us by Combox Sports Balian, sponsored by our beloved Senator Lauren Legarda, Congressman Paulo Javier, and Congressman A. Legarda. Ladies and gentlemen, this professional boxing event is sanctioned by the Games and Amusements Board, Chairman Attorney Francisco Rivera, Chief of Pro Boxing and Other Contact Sports Mr. Rodel Manaug, and Commissioners Attorney Manny Plaza III and Commissioner Angel P. Bautista. The three judges at ringside, scoring this contest in the 10-point plus system will be Romeo Sumalaka, Henry Sestina, and Gideon Nieves. And when the bell rings, your referee in charge of the action, ladies and gentlemen, referee Don Nieves. Introducing first, fighting out of the blue corner, wearing black with pink, official weight 123.8 pounds. This is his professional boxing debut, representing Bang MMA of Marikina City, introducing Ariel the Wolf Oval. And his opponent across the ring, fighting out of the red corner, wearing white with blue, official weight 121.8 pounds. This is also his professional boxing debut, proudly representing Hard Knocks Fitness Boxing Gym from the province of Antique, introducing and once again, giving instructions, here's referee Don Nieves.
Gusto ko malinis na laban. Ganyan naman ang ating ko sila kapalitan. Hindi na sila kapitan.
Alright, bout number 2 is here in the British knockout. Third given to win Ariel Oval. Ito, pinanala.
Huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe, mag-like, at pindutin ang bell button para maging updated sa mga boxing competition.
Round number 1.
Number 1 between Tyrell versus Oval. So you see the boxers are placed in the water. See as you can see David, Southpaw, and you can see Oval has orthodox.
Kubo, Municipality of Lawan. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Kapamorang Kabataan presented to us by Comex Sports Kalayaan. Sponsored by Senator Larry Legarda, Congressman Paolo Javier, and Congressman A.A. Legarda. Ladies and gentlemen, after 2 minutes and 15 seconds of the very first round, we have a winner by technical knockout. Your winner, Kevin Diary.
We welcome the future governor, Paolo Javier, to the world in boxer, all the way from Harlow's boxing team. Thank you so much.
Congratulations to our winner, Kevin Diary. Ladies and gentlemen, judges for our next bout, Romeo Sumalapa, Henry Cestina, and Gideon Yeles. Referee
Huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe, mag-like, at pindutin ang bell button para maging updated sa mga boxing competition.